everyone.
Hello, everybody.
This is the game.
What is this?
There's a monster at the end of this story.
End of this book.
The monster is gonna be
Starring Unstorm.
Let's start this book.
Funny name. This is
Gruber
a
loves
very
the
cool
beginning of
page.
the book.
What is on the next page?
Let's see. What is the next? Let me see.
Wait a minute. What did that say? On
There
the first
was-
page. What did that say? Did that
You
say
say there will be a monster at the end of this book. You're gonna legendary power.
Did? Oh,
You did.
I am so
I'm
scared
scared.
of monsters.
Oh, the monsters. Please don't get the monster. Please. I'm scared.
Listen, I have an idea.
If you do not turn it,
pages, we will never,
you never
get to
go
the
to
end
the
of this book. And
That's
that
a
is
good ending.
because there is
There's
a
a
monster
monster
at the end of this book. So
So
please,
please
don't
don't
turn
get
the
the
page.
So please do not get the godly and legendary or my. Okay, this is the game. Play unboxing simulator. Do not get a legendary. Do not get the godly. And do not get the. You put the godly. Why? Remember the rules. You cannot do this.
You see,
See?
turning
You turning pages
will bring us to the
bring
end
us to
of
the
this book.
legend power.
There is a monster at the end of this
book.
book.
Tag it up! Tag it up! Tag it up!
This will stop you from turning pages. See?
See?
I am
I'm
tagging
going to try
pages
to
together
put
so
together.
you
I'm not.
cannot hit.
See? Yeah. Don't go to a legendary power.
You touched a knot! Oh dear. If you touch a knot, you untie it. Oh, come on, not again.
No! Okay, remember. Finally, you cut the rope. Next time, do not get the godly. You got the godly. Do not get the legendary and do not get the mythical. So Gruber comes back. Nope. You turned another godly!
You do not
You're
know what you are
doing-
doing to me. Now,
Stop turning like godly! Build it.
I, Grover, am
David?
nailing this page to the next one so that you will not be able to turn it. And we will
Quick!
not get any closer to the monster at the end of this book.
Just do it! Cut the... Knock the board.
Oh no. Not again.
The boards. Try to knock. Quick, before ads begin.
Oh no. Not again.
You did! Congratulations! You did not get another legendary. You got the legendary. He's your legendary piece. Do not get Don't get another godly and you don't get anything. Brad Trev have the legend. Ow, you hit the wall. Make sure you don't see godly and mythicals. See the big one. Boxes left to go. Don't see a godly. You do not get the whole group or the ruler comes back. Hurry! No time. Kidnapped, Ryan. One more. Okay, 10. Okay, 9 more boxes left. Game over.
Alright. Do you know that every time you turn another page, you not only does monster at the end of this book, but you make a terrible mess.
Mommy, be back. Can you get me a pizza, please?
Stop that. You stop that right now, mister, or someone might touch there and turn the page. This will stop you from turning pages. A heavy, thick...
Watch out for the heavy, thick, stupid, ugly, strawberry claws!
I would just like to see you try to turn this page.
Turn the page! Cut the rope! You are cut the rope. Break the bridge. Hit.
Not again.
Cut the brick wall. Can I take this tip again, Mommy? Can I take this tip again?
Do you know that you are very strong? Yeah.
You did it.
Please do not touch right here. You will turn the page if you touch here. Please do not touch right here. You please. And the next page is the end of this book. And there is a monster at the end
of this book.
Oh, I am so scared. Please, do not turn the page. Please.
I'm so scared.
Well, look at that. This is the end of the book, and the only one here is me. Lovable furry old Grover and the monster at the end of this book.
Gruber's the monster.
And you were so scared. The end. I told you and told you there was nothing to be afraid of.